everybody, welcome to another episode of Unboxing on the Violent Running channel. As always, we are opening another mystery box from somewhere around the car community and the car scene in the UK. So, this time we're looking at Carfectionery's mystery box. We've got the large one, it's £30, and then it's £4.50 shipping, so £34.50 delivered. Without further ado, let's grab a knife, let's slice open the box, and let's start having a look what's in. Just going to pull this off the desk so we can make a pile, see what we've got. So, first things first, we have got a lovely piece of artwork with a packing list on the back for everything that we should have got. So these are really cool. These are £6 on their website. Really like these. I think Ricky's putting a not quick one just to take the mick a little bit out of my toaster, but really love this design anyway. And then we have a couple of slabs in a nice shiny bag, which I'll just open and yeet behind me for you. We have a Pops and Bangs and a Take a Break, have a decaf slap as well. They're £4 a pop, so we're already at £14 here. We have a little plush octopus. Now, I happen to know you can get those pretty much anywhere on the internet for about 14 quid. So we are about £2 £4 off the 30 quid that we've already spent. We've got a few more things in here. So we've got a little air freshener, Millions cola flavour, so that'll be a really nice scent to stick in the car. Not sure how to take this one, Ricky, mate. Sending me some soap. Pretty sure this is actually a standard part of the thing because it's all branded up. Let's have a quick look at this. We always have a quick sniff of the smelly stuff we get in. So, it's a little donut. There you go, guys. Nice little donut. And a really nice strawberry smell on that for us. Haven't seen those available on their website anywhere, but it's a bar of soap. It's got a little bit of value to it. We have got a lovely decaf mug. Now, that is definitely something I'll be using. You'll see that on the episode of Shoot the Shift, and the box for it can just be yeeted back there. We have one last little box to open, and in here we have a whole raft of sweets. Let's just get rid of the main box there. That's behind us. That's what's in the mystery box from our friends over at Carfectionery. Would I say it's worth it? Yeah, if you're trying to buy a fun little gift for a birthday for your friend in the car community, just a little bit of banter, a little bit of a laugh, grab one of these. It's worthwhile, and head over to Carfectionery's website, whose link is in the description, where you can check all of that out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see the other episodes we've got coming, and keep on track with Shooting the Shift when that comes back later this month. Have a good one. Bye bye.